Hello everybody! I am super excited to show you today's video because today I am going to show you my take on NikkieTutorials video, The Power of Makeup. So if you would like to see that, just keep watching. Alright, so if you're not familiar with the Power of Makeup video from NikkieTutorials, you should definitely check it out. It's very awesome. It's very inspiring. I absolutely love it, which is why I have been so inspired to do this video. The Power of Makeup actually consists of doing half of your face in full-on makeup, whether it's glam or just your favorite all-natural look, whatever you choose to do. But all makeup on one side and then all bare, all natural on the other side. So that is exactly what I am going to do today. So we're going to start things off with our primer. And if you couldn't have already guessed, I'm going to be going in today with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Primer, check. Okay, now I'm going in with foundation. My recent absolute love for foundation is the Huda Beauty Fox Filter Foundation, but then my love, like, right before that, because it's always changing, it feels like, was the NARS Natural Longwear Foundation. And recently, I was so excited because I was like, this is silly, Jennifer. Why don't you put like a drop of one and a drop of the other? Because the Huda Beauty on me is a little bit more yellow undertone, and then the NARS has more of that pink undertone, which I actually need like a little bit of both. I'm not necessarily neutral though either. I don't know, it's weird. But I mixed the two of those together and I was like, the gates were opened. Ah! So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So full coverage. Okay, and now I'm going in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. It's like such a weird thing to only do half of your face. And then this is probably going to seem crazy, but lately I'm obsessed with this Morphe setting spray. I've been spraying it like every time I do something because it feels like it just makes my skin go from like makeup back to skin with a simple spray. So after I put my foundation on, I give it a nice spray. I'm gonna go ahead and go in. Lately I have been setting my under eye and actually the majority of my face other than where I contour with this Hourglass product. It is the Ambient Lighting Powder in Ethereal Light, and I have just been taking my sponge again. Now we're going to go in with brows, but I'm going to go ahead and just put my brows on real quick and then pop back in and we'll start taking care of the rest of the face and the eyes. Okay, now we've got the brow on and we're going to go in with some contour slash bronzer, but it's really just bronzer. And I'm going to be using the Omega bronzer from Marc Jacobs. Everybody, this is a valuable lesson right here. When you pick up a blending brush and you think, oh, that's just brown on the tip of that, I can use it for my bronzer to contour my nose. No, don't believe it. Clean it off anyways, because then you're gonna get a lime green blend on your nose. Unicorn makeup 2.0. Okay, be right back, I gotta fix this. Okay, contour on the nose was fixed. Thank goodness. So now we're going to go in with some Milani blush, and this is in the shade Romantic Rose. I am going to go in first with some loose powder, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. And with a sponge, I'm going to tap underneath the eye, on the eye to help with any type of fallout. Okay, so that's right there, and then I'm just actually going to take this little stipple brush that I did the blush with, and I'm just buffing out the bottom right here so that it doesn't leave any type of harsh line. And then for eyeshadow today, I'm actually going to go in with a palette that I don't use as much as my others, but I really like it because it has such different and just, I don't know, quirky colors, I think. So I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette in Subculture. And here are all the lovely shades right here. So let's see, I'm going rogue on this. So I'm starting off with the shade Roxy, and I'm just placing that all over. And fun fact, if you are using this palette for the first time, be light-handed and also tap off that excess because you're gonna have it. Okay, and then using the same brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Fudge. Okay, so now I'm going to touch into the shade All Star, and I'm gonna pat that into the outer corner and about halfway across the lid. All right, and now I'm going in with the same brush and I'm gonna touch into the shade Rowdy. Okay, and then because I love these right here, I'm going to pop in with one of the Stila Magnificent Metals liquid eyeshadows, and this is in the shade Kitten Karma. Okay, glitter is on the eye. Let's finish the eyes. I'm gonna go back into All Star and Rowdy, and patting that right over the top of the glitter on the side. I'm going to use this small little smudger brush right here, and I'm going into the shade Electric, and I'm going to pat that over top of the liquid eyeshadow shade. So we're going to go ahead and finish our eyes now. So I'm going to go in with this little precision blender, and for this one right here, I'm going to go into the shade All Star. And then we're going to go in with another little blending brush right here into the shade Roxy. And that's going to go right underneath. And then with this very, very flat brush, I am going into Rowdy. Okay, I went ahead and popped on some lashes, blended it in with some mascara, and now we're going to finish up our look. So I'm going to go in with some highlighter and pop it right on top of the cheekbone. Now for some liquid lipstick, I'm going to be using the Smashbox liquid lipstick in Fair Game and the Marc Jacobs lip gloss in Sugar Sugar. Okay, everybody, so this right here is the look for the power of makeup. And I just want to sit and talk about what I think the power of makeup is as well. So my thoughts about makeup and people doing it is just that it's a great outlet for creative ideas and thoughts, and it's fun. And when I first started doing makeup, I honestly didn't necessarily do it because I wanted to cover this zit and that dark color under my eyes and those creases and all my freckles. I did it because I thought it was something fun. I enjoyed doing it, and it was really something that I would even have like those late night sessions where I'm sure many of you have probably had as well. You sit down and you're like, I don't have anything to do. So you'll just play with makeup, and that's exactly what I used to do too. I would play with makeup constantly. It was not only something that I enjoyed and that I wanted to continue to learn about, but it very quickly became, you know, a hobby and then turned into a passion of mine. And I absolutely love makeup and everything that it can do for you. And I love creating things. I mean, obviously this is why I have my YouTube channel and I share things with you, because I want everybody to see that love that I have for it and that I can share that love with you and hopefully teach people things and just have fun experiencing something creative like this together. But on the other hand, I also want to share the message that everybody is beautiful with or without makeup. Whether you choose to wear makeup, you are beautiful. Whether you choose to be all natural, you are beautiful. Whether you choose to put your brows on and your mascara every day and pop chapstick on, you are beautiful too. So that is the main thing that I want to share with this makeup, is that whether you are the glam or whether you are completely bare with a moisturizer on, you can still feel beautiful. I especially want to reach out to people that feel like they have a pressure on them to be within this beauty community and feel like they have to be this every single day, because you don't. This, on the other hand, is beautiful too. That's something that I also want to share with a younger crowd is that don't feel like you have to be this complete other side. There is beauty whether you are full makeup or without, whether you've got absolutely no freckles or if you've got a billion, whether you've got no redness or you've got tons of redness and pigmentation and pimples and under eye circles and creases and brows that don't stand up straight. I hope that from this video you can get that lesson out of this, that you can share with other people, that whether you are 1,000 or whether you are the regular 1,000, that you have beauty within you and on the outside too. I hope that you enjoyed it. I know that I did, and I would absolutely love and greatly appreciate if all of you would share this video, share it with your friends, share it with your mamas, share it with your grandmas, share it with your sisters, your brothers, your daughters, everybody, so that they can see the positive impact that makeup and creativity can have as well, and so that they can also see that everyone can feel beautiful no matter what scale you are on, from no makeup to a full face. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know what you think about this in the comments down below. I would love to know if you've done this video too. Please put your link down in the subscription box. I would love to go watch it. I really enjoy watching these videos. So let me know down in the comments what you are thinking about this video, or if you have already filmed it yourself. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate that as well. And I just also want to say real quick, just because this is a video where I've talked a little bit more, I just want to thank all of you who are my subscribers. You're awesome. I love making content for you, and I just want to thank you for being subscribed to my channel, because it really does mean a lot to me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.